Startup of my 2018 Brantford Series single stage furnace, and it has a I believe a 3-speed or a variable speed blower motor, but it's just a single stage gas valve. Right logo. There's the evaporator coil, and it's a preferred series evaporator coil. There's some data. It's got the Piron refrigerant. Located in my basement. There's the flue pipe, and then there's the water heater, which is the road. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and it's over.